Hello everyone, I'm here again with another video for class 6 and class 7. Okay, if you have remembered, we finished our first lesson, right? And where we discussed about our community and society. हामीले त्यहाँ differences पढ्यौं, right? And different phases of human society. Yes, evolution of human society and how society transformed from primitive to modern, simple to complex. And we did our assignment as well. Yeah, हाम्रो first lesson को assignment पनि हामीले गरिसक्यौं. So today we are starting our new lesson and the topic is about socialization. Okay, teaching and learning process को बारेमा पढ्ने छौं हामीले. Okay, जस्तै like the way our society used to be in the beginning of human society or in primitive society, त्यस्तो society अहिले modern time मा छैन. In present time मा के छ त we have different society, isn't it? एकदम beginning मा simple थियो हाम्रो society भने अहिले more advanced भएको छ, more complex भएको छ. And यो सबै केले गरी possible भयो? Because people or the humans learned different things, हैन? With their experiment, discoveries, yes, make them possible. Society simple but complex हुनु or simple to advanced हुनुमा चाहिँ के छ त? People's experiment, people's discoveries, यो सबैले possible भएको छ. So today we are going to learn about socialization. What is socialization? And socialization के हो त? Like the process of learning, yes, or teaching, or the process of learning the behave, yes, or to behave in a way that is acceptable to society. के society मा कस्तो बिहेभ गर्छ हामीले, हैन, जुन चाहिँ एक्सेप्टेबल छ कि छैन, सोसाइटीले मान्छ कि मान्दैन, that is socialization. Yes, the process of learning and teaching. त पहिला के गर्यो? त्यही लर्निङ र टिचिङले गर्दा फेरि ह्युमन लर्न टु बर्न फायर, जहाँ मानिसहरू के गर्थ्यो पहिला? दे युज टु इट र फ्लेश, हैन, पछि लर्निङ सिक्दै गयो. They learned new things. Then they developed fire. हैन, त्यो पनि त के हो? लर्निङ प्रोसेस थियो, isn't it? Then they learned to tame animals instead of hunting them. Yes, त्यो पनि के हो त? Learning process हो. That is socialization. So human infants, yes, human infants born without any culture. Yes, so they must be transformed from their families or by their families or parents, family members and others, yes, into them culturally and socially, yes, to and adopted by adopted social beings, yes, or human beings. उनीहरूलाई human beings बनाउनको लागि उनीहरूले के गर्नु पर्यो? They have to adopt social norms and values. So yes, we live in families, societies where there are several norms and values, yes, cultures, traditions and social rules and regulations. हैन, हाम्रो सोसाइटीले केही रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेशन्स बनाएको हुन्छ, कल्चरहरू हुन्छ, जुन चाहिँ हामीले पहिला जन्मिदा त सिकेको हुँदैनौं, isn't it? We born without any culture, any language. हामीले कुनै भाषा पनि सिकेको हुँदैन, बोल्न जानेको हुँदैन. यो सबै के हो? बिस्तारै मानिसले डेभलप गर्दै गएको. So yes, we have to know such norms and values, yes, traditions, culture and rules and regulations of our society, and we will be able or we will be acceptable in the society. Yes, and yes, we can survive from our birth to till death. So हामी जन्मेदेखिबाट नमरुन्जेलसम्म त हामीले नयाँ नयाँ कुराहरू सिक्नु पर्दो रहेछ. Or to adopt in the society. Okay, to adopt our social norms and values. Yes, culture, traditions, rules and regulations formed by our society. हाम्रो सोसाइटीले बनाएको रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन्सलाई के गर्नुको लागि, त्यसलाई एडप्ट गर्नुको लागि, so that we can be able to live or adopt in our society. Okay, or हामी social being हुन सक्छौं, then only we can be a social being as well. Okay, so yes, socialization is the process of learning, yes, and teaching the social norms, values, yes, traditions, culture and social rules and regulations. Yes, so that people can be easily adopt in the society and live happy life. हामी सजिलै सोसाइटीमा एडप्ट हुन सक्छौं, सोसाइटीमा हामी एडजस्ट हुन सक्छौं when we learn our social norms and values, social rules and regulations, culture and traditions. Okay, so in other words, yes, socialization is the process of learning the collective social norms and values, behaviors, जसरी the way we behave to others, त्यो हामीले सिक्नु जरुरी छ, right? Or behavior, lifestyle and social thoughts. Okay, हाम्रो सोसाइटीको हैन norms and values सिक्नु अनि त्यसलाई एडप्ट गर्नु, to adjust within a society to live a happy life. And social behaviors is known as socialization, and त्यो कसरी हुन्छ? Through imitation, advice and language. हैन हाम्रो पहिला जुन सोसाइटीमा ल्याङ्ग्वेज डेभलप भएको थियो हैन, पछि ह्युमन स्टार्टेड or human developed languages to communicate with each other. भनेपछि how can we learn? हामी कसरी सिक्न सक्दो रहेछौं त such social norms and values? त्यो चाहिँ हाम्रो के हुन्छ? They are transformed by our families and our parents or family members or our friends. Yes, and our peer groups. हैन हाम्रो साथीहरु हुन्छ, उनीहरुबाट हामीले सिक्छौं through advice, yes, through imitation, अरूको नक्कल गरेर हैन, imitate गरेर, अरूलाई कपी गरेर, and through languages. So चाहिँ हामी के गर्न सक्छौं? We can learn new things. We can teach someone else. So the social norms and values are transformed by one person to another person. Okay, that is socialization. Socialization भनेको के रहेछ? It's a learning, teaching and learning process from our birth to till death. Yes, to adjust in a society. हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा एडजस्ट हुनको लागि. So thus, yes, to follow such trend, yes, and way of the society, yes, an act is known as socialization. जो चाहिँ हामीले ल्याङ्ग्वेज को थ्रु सिक्छौं, अरूको इमिटेट गरेर सिक्छौं हैन, अरूको नक्कल गरेर सिक्छौं हैन, जस्तै हामीले अरूको नक्कल गरेर फ्यासनहरु सिकिरहेको हुन्छ हैन, ड्रेसिङ सेन्सहरु चेन्ज गरिरहेको हुन्छ हामीले. That is also a learning process. That is socialization. के गर्नको लागि? To adapt in the society and to live happy life. Yes, and yes, it teaches us, like socialization teaches us social skills, yes, and polite behavior. Okay, it teaches us etiquette, polite behavior. So we need to involve ourselves actively, yes, in achieving the goals of society, yes, or social goals. And social goals भनेको के हो त? जस्तै to maintain peace, yes, and to maintain good behavior with each other, for better life, हैन त्यो कमन गोल हो नि त त्यसलाई अचिभ गर्नको लागि के गर्नुपर्ने छ वी अल ह्युमन्स or we all the members of society should involve ourselves actively yes in social activities yes to achieve the common goals of society so socialization भनेको के रहेछ त it's a learning teaching and learning process every day we learn new things प्रत्येक दिन हामीले नयाँ नयाँ कुराहरू सिकिरहेको हुन्छौं जुन हामीले from our birth to till our death हैन मान्छे जन्मेदेखि नमरुन्जेलसम्म के गर्छ नयाँ नयाँ कुरा सिकिराख्छ and that is socialization so socialization is lifelong learning process हामी बाँचुन्जेलसम्म सिकिरहने नै के रहेछ that is socialization एउटाले अर्कोलाई के गर्छ सिकेको कुरा ट्रान्सफर्म गर्छ and that is socialization okay so this much for today okay in next video we will learn more about socialization till then keep watching the video keep learning